Hello dear students, welcome to the Royal Palace PU College online classes. So in last class we have discussed about the rounding of the numbers, and also we have studied about the what are the rules for the rounding of the figures. In today's session, so I am going to discuss about the dimensional analysis. So this is one of the important concept, so that is dimensional analysis. Okay, so actually in earlier days there is no sophisticated instrument. Okay, so now here in this dimensional analysis it is a method, so in which what happen, we are going to convert what here the unit, conversion of unit from one system to the another system. So that is called what here, dimensional analysis. So now here, so dimensional analysis, so while calculating there is a need to convert unit from one system to the another system. So the method which is applied to the conversion of unit from one system to the another system, so that is called what here, dimensional analysis or factor label method or unit factor method. Okay, so dimensional analysis, the method, these are the methods which are used to convert unit from one system to another system is called, or the methods which are used to convert unit from one system to another system is called dimensional analysis, or factor label method, or unit factor method. Okay, so the dimensional analysis or unit factor method, the methods which are used to convert what here, unit from one system to the another system, so they are called dimensional analysis. So while calculating there is a need to convert what here, units from one system to the another system. So during that time we are going to apply a methods, so that methods are called what here, dimensional analysis. Okay, so let us, I will take one example here. Example, a piece of metal 3 inch long, a piece of metal that is 3 inch long. What is the length of metal in centimeter? Now here they are given the piece of metal that is 3 inch long, so they are given in the form of what here, inches. The piece of metal that is in 3 inch long, so they asked the length of the metal in cm, so that is centimeter daga ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಾರೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here to convert this we are going to use what here, a factor or unit factor method, so or dimensional analysis. So that is that methods are called what here, dimensional analysis ante. So nodri, a piece of metal 3 inch long, what is the length of metal in centimeter kilo? So given, they are given the length, the length of the metal in inches. They asked to convert what here, the length of the metal in centimeter. They asked what here, the length of the metal in centimeter. So how we are going to solve this one? So let us see here. So solution. Okay. So a piece of metal 3 inch long. So we know that okay, we know that 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. Okay, so 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. So now here from this we can write from this we can write, so 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter, that equal to 1, correct or not? No, right. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter, then 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter equal to 1. Similarly, or you can write same thing, 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch. So that is also equal to what here? 1. So here these two factors are called what here? Unit factors. So 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter equal to 1, and also 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch equal to 1. So these two are called what here? Unit factors. These two factors are called what here? Unit factors. By anything, I mean if you are going to multiply by any number to this unit factor, that is 1, the number will not be affected. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1, so the number will not be affected, so that will remains as it is. So suppose 2 into 1, so that is 2, so the number will not be affected after multiplication with what here? These unit factors, that is 1. Okay, so now here we know that the 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. So from this we can write here 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter. This equal to this, that 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. Hence 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter equal to 1. And also that is equal to 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch equal to also what here? 1. Now here you have to, these two factors are called what here? Unit factor. You have to multiply the 3 inch, they are given. So 3 inch with this unit factor, that is what here? 2 point, so here there are 2 unit factors are there, so you can take this unit factor, because here I will write 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch. So e into this inch cancel each other, hence that equal to what here? 3 into 2.54 centimeter. 3 into 2.54 centimeter, that equal to what here? 7.62 centimeter. 7.62 centimeter. So here they are given the length of the metal in terms of what here? Inches, and they asked to convert what here? The length of the metal in centimeter. So here we are going to convert what here? The unit that is given in the form of what here? Inch, that is converted to what here? The length of the metal in centimeter. So you have to use what here? Dimensional analysis. That is a method which is used to convert what here? A unit from one system to the, that is inch to the what here? Centimeter. So we know that 1 inch equal to what here? 2.54 centimeter. So from this we can write what here? 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter, that is equal to 1, and that is also equal to what here? 2.54 centimeter. So divided by 1 inch. Okay, and these two are, both are, these two are called what here? Unit factors. So the given number, so that is 3, which is multiplied with unit factor, the number will not be affected, because the unit factor is what here? 1. Now the given number 3 inch, I mean the value 3 inch into So you can multiply with this unit factor, one of the unit factor. Now ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, so there are two unit factors are there, but ನಾನು second one unit factor ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, so we'll divide by what here, inch. So e into cancel ಆಗೋಸ್ಕರ, so I have taken this unit factor instead of this. So here after multiplication with what here, 3 inch into 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch, so inch cancel each other, so we'll get what here, 3 into 2.54 centimeter. So after calculating this, we will get what here, 7.62 centimeter. Okay, the length of the metal that is 7.62 centimeter. Okay, so this is one of the example. So now I will go for the second one example. Okay, a jug contains, second one example, a jug contain 2 liter of milk. What is the volume of milk in meter cube or cubic meter? A jug contain 2 liter of milk. What is the volume of the milk in meter cube or cubic meter? So they are given the milk in terms of what here, milk, I mean liter. They are asked to convert what here, the volume of milk into cubic meter or meter cube. Now here I will write for this solution. Okay, so now we know that 1 liter of milk, that is 1 liter equal to what here, 1000 cm cube. So we know that 1 liter that is equal to what here, 1000 cm cube. Now and also 1 meter value, we know that 1 meter equal to what here, 100 centimeter. So last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು previous videos ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. So here ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ just remind ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 1 meter equal to how much centimeter? Now 1 meter you have to introduce what here, centi. So you can write here 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of 2, so that is meter. So for introducing this centi, you have to keep this 10 to the power of minus 2 as centimeter. So remaining here 10 to the power of 2, this one. So 1 meter equal to what here, 10 raised to 2, that is equal to what here, 100 centimeter. So hence I have written here 1 meter equal to what here, 100 centimeter. So last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ, I mean previous videoದಲ್ಲಿ SI units ಅಲ್ಲಿ, I mean conversion ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, how you are going to convert what here 1 meter to what here centimeter. So just ನಾನು recall ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So same here, that is 1 meter equal to what here, 100 centimeter. So now here, that is, we know that 1 meter that equal to what here, 100 centimeter. That is equal to what here, 1, because no, 1 meter equal to what here, 100 centimeter. So 1 meter divided by 100 centimeter equal to, that is equal to what here, 1. So this is 1 unit factor. So also you can write like this, 100 centimeter divided by what here, 1 meter. So that is also equal to the 1, and these two factors are called what here, unit factors. Okay, so now here to get, they are given, they asked the volume of the milk in meter cube. So you have to do what here, cubic. So to get cubic meter, the first unit factor, so this one, there are 2 unit factors. The first unit factor is cubed. Okay, so now here first unit factor, this one, 1 meter divided by 100 centimeter, that is cube. Okay, so first ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, so the first unit factor, there are 2 factor. So this is 1 unit factor and this is 1 unit factor. So the first unit factor cube. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತೆ. So now that is equal to what here? 1 cubic meter divided by, so that is 10 to the power of 6 cm cube. Okay, 100 cube ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so that is 10 to the power of 6. So 100 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is 10 to the power of 2. Okay, 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನೇನೋ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 10 to the power of ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 100, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 100, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 100, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 100. 100 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ 10 to the power of 6. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ 10 to the power of 6 and cm cube. Okay, now that is equal to what here? 1 cube, and that is also equal to what here? 1 ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಯೂನಿಟನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಏನೋ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 liter equal to, now the given number, the value 2 liter equal to, that is 2 into, that is 1000 cm cube, 2 into 1000 cm cube. Now, ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 into 1000 cm cube. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಂತರ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ cm cube ಈ cm cube ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟು 1 meter cube ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 10 to the power of 6 cm cube. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 into 1000 cm cube into 1 meter cube divided by 10 to the power of 6 cm cube. Now I will write here. So 2 into 1000 cm cube into 1 meter cube divided by 10 to the power of 6 cm cube. 10 to the power of 6 cm cube. That is equal to what here? That is 2 into, ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 10 to the power of 3 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 1000. Okay, so 2, that is meter cube. So I will write directly 2 meter cube divided by 10 to the power of 3 cm cube. Sorry, 10 to the power of this cm cube cancel, 10 to the power of 3. So now that is 2 into 10 to the power of 3 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದರೆ 10 to the power of -3 meter cube. Okay, so volume of the milk that is given in the terms of what here? Liter. So we are going to convert what here? The milk in meter cube. The value of this one is what here? 2 into 10 to the power of -3 meter cube. So this is another one example. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕನ್ನು ಲೀಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 1 liter equal to what here? 1000 cm cube, that is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 1 meter divided by 100 centimeter equal to 1. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. 100 centimeter divided by 1 meter equal to, also equal to what here? 1. And these two factors are called what here? Unit factor. To get ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮನ್ನು ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ? ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 meter cube divided by 10 to the power of 6 cm cube. So that is now 2 liter equal to 2 into 1000 cm cube. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು 1000 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 10 raised to power of 3. 2 into, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 2 into 10 to the power of 3 into 1 meter cube divided by 10 to the power of 6 cm cube. 10 to the power of 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 to the power of 3 ಹೋದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 10 to the power of 3 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 10 to the power of 3, ಈ 10 to the power of 3 10 to the power of 6 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 10 to the power of 3 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 into 2 meter cube divided by 10 to the power of 3. ಸೊ ಈ 10 to the power of ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದರೆ that will becomes what here? -3. 2 into 10 to the power of -3 meter cube. Okay, so this is second one example. Okay. The third one example, how many seconds are there in 2 days? Okay, so solution. So we know that 1 day equal to 24 hours. 24 hours, that is H. Okay, so 1 day equal to what here? 24 hours. Or you can write 1 day divided by 24 hours equal to 1. So 1 day equal to 24 hours, then 1 day divided by 24 hours equal to 1. That is also the equal to what here? 24 hours. You can write instead of this 24 hour divided by 1 day. There are two unit factors. These two are called what here? Unit factors, and that equal to what here? 1. So, and also we know that is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So for this you can write unit factor 1 hour divided by 60 minutes, that is equal to 1, and that is also equal to what here? 60 minutes. Again two factors. 60 minutes divided by 1 hour. 60 minutes divided by 1 hour. So then multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತದ್ದು, that is 2 days. They asked how many seconds are there in 2 days into 20 this unit factor, because ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು 1 divided by 24 hours ಇದೆ, 24 hours divided by 1 day ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡೇ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂತಾರೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. 2 day 24 hour divided by 1 day, and also you can multiply this unit factor. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾಕಂತಾರೆ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಅವರ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 60 minutes ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1 hour. ಸೊ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಇದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 60 seconds. That is 1 minute equal to what here? 60 seconds. So ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ? this minute cancel each other, this hour cancel each other, this day cancel each other. Now here the value becomes 2 into 24 into 60 into 60 second. 2 into 24 into 60 into 60 second. Now after calculating this you will get what here? So here 172,800 second. Okay, so 1,72,800 seconds are there in 2 days. So this is the answer. Thank you.